It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Oh my goodness, you guys. The wind is howling outside and we're under winter storm watch. I'm like, what? When did this happen? So I am inside, I am warm, and I am talking about Candle Day, Bath and Body Works, which is 2 weeks from tomorrow. I'm like, when did this sneak up on me? I can't believe Thanksgiving is Thursday. I'm like, when did this happen? I got my Grinch shirt on. Check it out. This is my new shirt from Kohl's. I love this shirt. It's got a really nice fit. And it's super, super cute. You can hear beads dropping in the background because my mother is making bracelets and charms. I'm really trying hard to get this stuff up in the Etsy store. Check it out. Everything is 40% off now for Black Friday sale. So check out my Etsy store for all of the cool Christmas bracelets and charms. So we gotta talk about Candle Day. I am so excited to do this video. I'll be doing multiple Candle Day videos because you can't talk about everything in one video. There is too much happening. Candle Day is 2 weeks from tomorrow. I don't know if they're gonna start early on Friday. I don't have all that information yet, but as soon as I get it in, I will be sharing that with you guys. So let's just say it is December 2nd and 3rd, 2 weeks. 2 weeks until Candle Day. So what do you got to do to get ready? What are my tips and tricks? Oh my gosh, you guys. So for me, Candle Day is like the Super Bowl of fragrance. That's what it is because I don't watch sports. I'm not a sports person. I never have been, but I love fragrance. I love theater. I love all kinds of good stuff like that. I love watching movies. I'm just not a sports person. Never have been. So Candle Day is definitely the day. It is a really exciting event. I feel like it's more than a sale. I come on here every year and I get so much joy sharing Candle Day stuff with you. The new fragrances, what's available, what's sold out, what's new, what's not so good. We got a lot to talk about as we head into Candle Day. And then after Candle Day, I love to do my Candle Day reviews. Where do we start? Pre-game. We need a Candle Day pre-game plan. Otherwise, when you walk into Candle Day, you're just going to be running around in circles. Trust me, I have done it. It's not fun. So we got to get ready. Know that Candle Day is a magical event. When you walk in to Candle Day, there's going to be more candles there than you've ever seen in your life. Like if you're new to Bath and Body Works, there's just piles and piles of candles everywhere. They're beautiful and you're just kind of walking around going, wow, I want them all. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is decide if you're going to shop in store, online, or both. I try to do both. Online, you're going to get some exclusives. So for example, one year we had Lavender Sea as an exclusive, and this is kind of a summer candle. So keep in mind, there will be summer and spring candles at Bath & Body Works Candle Day. Remember White Gardenia? They usually have fresh cut lilacs, but they have like this whole spring collection at Candle Day. So if you want some spring candles, you can get those. All the Christmas candles are going to be there. They're going to have Fa La 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 Latte. Remember, I didn't like this one. I love the jar, though. The jar is beautiful. I might try and get this one again just to see if I get a stronger throw on my second one because it's so pretty. You're gonna want to think about candles maybe that you didn't see the first time. Applewood and Clove is not an obvious Christmas candle, but it is wonderful. I got to review this one for you guys. So we're going to have all our Christmas candles. We're going to have spring candles, and then we are going to have special collections. So in past years, check it out. Remember Sugared Blueberry Donut? Look at that cool turquoise wax. I'm hearing this year we're supposed to have some mashups. I'm hearing a lot of different candles coming out. I will have a list closer to Candle Day on what's coming out because we're a little ways away from that. I'm hoping they bring back mint chocolate. They haven't brought this one back lately. but it is fabulous. So candles, there's going to be so many candles. That's why you need the wish list. You're going to need a way to get the candles from the store into your car. So do a little planning. So Bath & Body Works usually does these awesome bags. This is a Candle Day tote, and it fits. It's really heavy because there's 12 candles in here. So this is like 12 pounds. And then you carry 2 of them. That's like 24 pounds. So what happens is when you buy candles on Candle Day, they're going to pack them in these bags. Some associates only put 6. So you might have to like go back and forth to your car a couple of times. It's a little bit hard if you're by yourself. I try and bring a friend. Sometimes my mom comes. If you have a cart or a wagon, you might want to bring it at the mall because it's hard to get these candles out. So when you walk into the store, you're going to get one of the crates and you're going to start loading it up with candles. And like I said, it's magical. So you're going to see all of these candles, Christmas candles. I'm also hearing the candied maple bacon will be there. This is coming back. Don't forget about your glass top candles because these are going to be a single price. These smell amazing. They look amazing. I love the stars on top. I'm hearing, and I hope this is true, we could be seeing the butter rum eggnog, but I think it's called Tipsy Elf. I'm really hoping. I'm seeing this label a lot on Instagram, which is kind of fun. Your classics like Twisted Peppermint. You're going to want to make sure that you have all of these candles on your wish list, and then you're going to kind of walk around the store. In previous years, we've gotten collections. I'm sure we're going to get collections this year. I don't have all of the details yet. This is the Peach on Earth. Remember Peach on Earth? I don't really like this one. But this was the Giving Tuesday collection. So I'm sure there's going to be some surprises rolling in to Candle Day. There's also going to be like new body care hanging out from Black Friday, going into Body Care Day. So there's going to be a lot of distractions at Candle Day. So the wish list is going to focus you a little bit and help you. So one tip that you got to do pre-game, you have to figure out what time your store is opening because without that time frame, it's going to get confusing. So most of the stores, like on Google My Business, you can find out, or if you call, there's usually recording. Most stores will open really early for Candle Day. I don't know if it's going to be 2 in the morning. I don't know if it's going to be 5 a.m. Our mall doesn't open until 11 now, so I have no idea what time our store is opening. A lot of times there will be a long line for Candle Day. Before we get to that long line, we got to back up because there's a lot of stuff that you need before you even get in line for Candle Day. The wish list that I just talked about, we're going to go over a whole Candle Day wish list strategy later in the week. The other thing that you're going to need are your coupons, and you're going to need the Bath & Body Works app. I highly recommend getting the app because right now they're advertising that if you sign up for the app, if you're not signed up, you're going to get a 10 off 30 coupon. So that's worth it right there. They may be loading more coupons in. I'm just looking at my offers. Actually, this is not a reward. I just got a new offer on my phone. It says free full-size body care item with $10 purchase. Now, the question is that tied to my coupon here? Like if I use it on my phone, can I not use the online code? I don't know. I will find out. I'm going to test that out because that's one thing we got to figure out. So you want to make sure you have your coupons. You want to make sure you have your app and your phone ready so that if there's any offers on your phone, you can get them out easily. I also recommend keeping your money in your pocket, not even bringing a person because you get so much stuff. It's also easy if you've got a big purse, to boom, knock over candles, which I've seen happen before. So I suggest either, like I said, putting your money in your pocket or wearing like a small like crossbody so you can put your money in that and not knock anything over on Candle Day. So when you walk into the store, after you've stood in line, you're going to get a crate. I tend to not like lines. I don't like crowds. So usually what I do is I come like 2 to 3 hours after the crowds have died down a little, and then I can shop a little bit more calmly. So when you get in, you're going to get, this is like the magic crate. This is what you're going to load all of your candles in for Candle Day. And it's going to take you like 8 microseconds to fill up crate number 1 because there's so many pretty candles. I usually fill up 2, I check out, I put them in the car, and I come back. The sales associates are amazing on Candle Day. They know what they're doing. They're moving people in and moving people out. They know how to do it, and they do it quickly. So my Bath & Body Works, I've never had an issue with the line taking very long. Even when the line is long, it moves really fast because they literally have 2 or 3 people like at each register, and they're just loading these candles in, they're putting them in your bag, and they're moving you out. So that is the nice thing about Bath & Body Works. They're efficient. So for Candle Day, like I said, what I do is I usually buy 12, put them in the car, and then I come back for more. Because let me tell you, it is hard to be lugging around all of these candles and then looking. That's why I suggest bringing a strong friend or a cart. It's going to get crazy. So you got your bag, you got your crate, you got your coupons, you got your app, all of that is set. You got your wish list, and then you get home with your candles. That's kind of when the fun starts too, because it is such a joy to be able to unpack your candles when you get home and just sit there and smell them. I do that. I get so much joy out of doing that. Like coming home with a giant bag of candles and just sitting there and smelling them all. Then what you can do is you can start your online shopping. So it's tough because I don't exactly know how this is going to roll out this year, but there's always online exclusive because I don't know how it's going to roll this year in terms of are we going to get access on Friday night? Are they going to have all of the candles online? Are there going to be some store exclusives? I know there's going to be online exclusives. There's always online exclusives, but I don't know if some are going to be exclusive just to the stores. So we will find out. We're in this together. We're going to be doing this for the next 2 weeks, and we'll figure everything out together. But like I said, I wanted to do a pregame tips and tricks for you guys now that we're 2 weeks away. So recap. This is what you need to start doing. Figure out which candles you want. I'll help you with the wish list. The wish list is fun. Make sure you have all of your coupons and your app all set to go. Figure out if you're going with a friend. What I would do is anyone you know that might not be using their coupons, ask around, because you might have an aunt or a cousin who doesn't shop at Bath & Body Works that got a coupon. Can't hurt to ask. You might be able to get multiple coupons because that's going to help you too save money. I want to talk about pricing. We do not have a price point yet for Candle Day 2022. Last year, it was $10.25. So the question is, are they going to keep it at $10.25? Are they going to bump it up to $10.50? It's going to be in that range. I'm like 99% sure it makes sense. I'm hoping they keep it at $10.25. Our body lotion sale, they kept it $3.95. So I'm hoping at least for the $10.25. It would be amazing if they went down to $9.95. That would be cool. But it's in the $10 range. So when you set your budget for Candle Day, use that as your price point. Basically, 10 candles for $100. So figure out how much you want to spend of your budget in store. Figure out how much you want to spend of your budget online. And it'll be so much easier. But don't forget that in 3 weeks past Candle Day, semi-annual sale is coming. So you're going to have a whole new opportunity to save for semi-annual sale. So you got to figure all of that out. I would just set a December budget for Bath & Body Works and then just allocate funds towards like Candle Day, Body Care Day, because Body Care Day is right after Candle Day, and then semi-annual sale. There's a lot of really big sales coming. So I am excited. I hope this was helpful. I will have more videos as we get closer. Like I said, we're going to talk about the wish list. We're going to talk about new candles that are coming out, and we're going to talk about the price point. And oh my gosh, it's coming to you guys. We got a lot of Black Friday to talk about before Candle Day too, though. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.